here.
Submarine just got hit. Submarine just got hit.
Our submarine just got hit.
Yeah, look to the left of us.
I feel bad. Jesus Christ. I feel bad.
Jesus.
I feel good, but
Guys, I literally was
Captain,
jumping.
Captain.
Everybody,
Captain, we're
we
hit.
just got hit. We just got hit. We just got hit.
Captain, where you at?
Close all the watertight doors.
We just got hit.
All the watertight doors are closed. Everybody, abandon ship. Abandon ship. I say abandon ship.
Okay.
Captain's orders. Abandon ship. Everybody, get on top of here and hold on. We might not sink all the way. These are really
Hey, if this thing
waters.
tilts forward, climb up.
Climb up.
Guys,
Guys,
it's
get
the
down from there.
Titanic.
Get down from there.
Let's go back.
Everybody,
Hey,
get down from there. It's
back of the ship. Back of the ship.
back to the ship. I repeat.
Oh, no.
Come on, climb up. Climb up, guys.
Captain! Oh shoot.
No.
Captain, wait.
Come on, come on. Climb up.
I'm
guys
not.
can do this.
I'm dead.
Climb up, guys.
I'm not
Hurry.
dead. I'm not dead.
Come on.
All right, guys, I'm on.
Come on.
Captain. I think I can hold on much longer.
Come on. Grab me your hand.
Goodbye, Captain.
Oh my God. I don't think we're gonna sneak all the way.
I'm not dead.
no.
I'm not
Oh, we definitely will.
No.
Uh oh.